You're welcome to the CryptoNet channel, and I want to believe that so many people will ask questions like, how can I link my Binance API with the Bitsgap platform? Okay, it's not difficult at all. It's quite easy, simple, and straightforward. So all I just want you guys to do is to pay attention to what I want to share with you right now. Okay, and I'll prefer that if you are there with your laptop, just try and follow the guide just the way I'm doing it and see if it will pull through or not. Okay, so yeah, welcome to the CryptoNet channel, and now right now we have 863 subscribers on the channel. Okay, so and I want you to be a part of this community, part of people that will skyrocket, you know, that will jumpstart their journey in the crypto and blockchain ecosystem. So there are a lot and lot of videos here that you can benefit from, and there's a robust playlist here also where I categorize all of these videos so that you can learn as fast as possible. All right. So now this is what I'm going to do. Now I'm going to go on Binance. And I'm going to click here. So when you click here, you go to the API management. API management. If you don't have a Binance account yet, I'm going to drop a link down below so that you can sign up on Binance. And also, I'm going to be leaving the link to the Bitsgap platform, okay, so that you guys don't fall victim of a phishing website, okay. The best way to create the API is just to come here. Let me say test API. All right, test API. I'm going to click on create API. So when I click on create, I will have to verify this as a security measure. When I'm done with that, I will have to send this code to my mail and also send this one also. So then I will input all of these parameters. Let me check my email. Okay, I got the message now. Okay, so 171. That's the email for verification code. 171. Then 392. So the next thing now is the phone number. So it's the phone verification, which is what? 622245. That's 6222245. Then the next one is the authenticator. All of these are just security layers to secure your account. All right. So they're just one time code. So this is 153881. So click on submit. Okay, so there you can see the new API, right? So I'm going to delete this API because some other guys may want to try and copy these and also use on the. No, I'm going to try and delete this once I'm done with this tutorial. Okay, so what you want to do now, you want to come here. You want to come here like edit restrictions. You want to come here and enable spot and margin trading. Okay, then enable futures. That is if you want to trade futures market. So when you come here, this is the bots. You can see from here that I have ongoing trade on the I have an ongoing trade on the futures market. Okay, and also I have another ongoing trade on sports market, but this is actually KuCoin. All right, so if you come here now and think that you want to trade futures on this platform, then you must try as much as possible to enable futures. Okay, so for spot and margin, that one should be enabled, and make sure that you don't enable withdrawals whatsoever. It doesn't make any sense. Okay, see what the Binance said. It said this option allows you to withdraw via API. You must enable the IP access restriction filter in order to do this. So we don't want to go through that stress. So if you come here and restrict it, probably you had a particular IP address here and you confirm it, then you'll be able to enable withdrawal. But we are not into that and we don't care about that, as you can see right now. So I'm going to come here and use unrestricted IP address. So reading has been enabled, then this has been enabled, this has also been enabled. So I'm going to leave every other thing disabled. So you have to come here and copy this, just copy it, then go to Bitsgap. There's an option where you can add more exchanges. Let me go to trading. where you can add more exchanges. Then come here and try to add new exchange. So let's assume that I want to add um, Binance, because I already have Binance already linked. Okay, so and I have ongoing trades, as you can see on my account. I have ongoing trades, so I don't want to cancel that because of this tutorial. So I'm going to show you guys an example. Let's assume that I want to link the API with Binance US, although I don't have a Binance US account. So I'll just come here and paste the API. So paste it here. So once the API is pasted here, then it will ask you for your secret keys. So for the secret keys, just come here and copy this. Make sure that you don't copy an empty space, otherwise it will not work. That seems to be a problem that most people are facing. So you come here and paste it, the secret key, paste it here. That's the secret key. Okay, then you click on connect. So assuming I have Binance US account now, this will go through. But because I don't have Binance US account, it will not go through. So once you click on connect, then it's automatically, added, it becomes added to the platform. Then you see something like this also on your own platform too. So that's basically how it works. It's not really hard. It's something that is very simple and easy and straightforward. So if you like this tutorial on how to add uh a Binance API to your Bitsgap account, if you like this tutorial, make sure that you give it thumbs up. And also, if you have any question, ask me in the comment box. So if you have any friend that is also facing this challenge, make sure that you share this video with them so that they can learn how to do it. So it is simple, easy, it is pretty easy and straightforward. So don't forget also to subscribe to the channel. Okay, turn on your notification button, and so that when I make subsequent videos, you are going to be among the first people that will be notified. All right. So see you guys in the subsequent tutorial. So bye for now.